Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, ipapaliwanag natin at tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng US tax form. Isa ka din dito sa mga naka-receive ng ganitong email na your US tax form expires at the end of 2024. So kailangan bago ang December 10 ay ma-submit na po natin yung tax na hinihingi po nila, or mai-update na po natin yung ating tax information. So nakalagay dito, it's time to refresh your US tax form. Creators with expired US tax forms may be subject to default tax rate of 24% of total earnings worldwide. So kung ayaw mo mangyari na magkaroon ng 24% ng tax dito sa US, so kailangan mo mag-update. Kung hindi, so malaki yung makakaltas sa'yo dyan. So sabi niya pa dito, in every few years, creators need to resubmit their US tax forms in AdSense for YouTube to make sure their information is correct and potential withholding tax on their earnings are accurate. At the end of this year, your US tax form will expire. To get head start on filing it out today. This applies to all creators. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po tayo yung nakaka-receive, marami pong nakaka-receive niyan. So, proceed na po tayo. Kailangan po, pumunta muna tayo sa ating Google. So, ating Google na kung saan naka-sign in po yung ating email sa Google AdSense. Is kapag andito na po kayo sa may Google AdSense, i-click nyo lang yung tatlong guhit doon sa pinaka left side, and then lalabas na yan sa pinaka baba sa may payments info. Click nyo lang yan, and then wait lang natin siya. So ayan, so dito i-click lang natin sa payments accounts yung Philippine US dollar. Maklik sa Philippine US dollar, sa pinaka baba scroll lang natin, when makikita kayong manage setting, i-click lang natin yung manage setting. Meron tayong makikita ditong United States Tax Info. So, i-click lang natin siya. Then, manage tax info. Then, sa pinakababa, sa United States form, W8 Ben, sa pinakababa, meron po tayong ditong submit new form. Click lang natin yung submit new form. Then, start new form. Then, enter lang natin yung password natin. Then, hintayin lang natin mag-loading. I-click lang natin yung individual. Then, click natin yung next. Are you a citizen resident of United States? Click no. Then, next. Select W8 tax form type based on your previously selected answer. A W8 form is needed. So, this form was commonly used by non-US individual. So, i-click lang natin yung non-US individual. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo dito sa US. Then, start. Sa pinakataas, check lang po natin yung details. Then, pila pa natin yung region and country. So, i-click natin yung Philippines. After natin maklik yung Philippines, so dito na po tayo sa pinakababa. So dito po sa foreign tin at saka US tin is wala po tayong gagalawin dyan. So click lang natin yung next. Then dito po sa pinaka country region of residence, i-click lang natin, ay ilagay lang po natin dito yung address natin, postal code and province. Postcode is 2000 sa amin. Kung hindi nyo po alam yung postcode ninyo, pwede nyo pong i-search sa Google. Then next. So, sa pinakataas is check natin kung tama yung information nilalagay natin. Are you claiming po sa tax treaty? Siyempre, i-click natin yung no kasi hindi naman po tayo dito sa US naka-base. So, kaya no po yan. So, click the next. Tapos, may question po dito na activities and services performed in the US. Sige, values yung any activities service Google within the US or do they expect in the future. I-click lang natin yung no. And I certify and next. Then go paperless and I check the paperless delivery agreement next. Then I confirm and next. Under the penalties perjury, yes, click the box and then click the box. Yes, I am the beneficial own name on the tax identity section. Then submit. Mas maganda po talaga na basahin po natin yung mga nakalagay dyan bago po tayo mag-next or mag-proceed. Then, ito na po, United States your tax has been accepted. So, accepted na po siya. Expires on December 31, 2027 na po siya. Since nag-submit po tayo ng September 16, 2024 at approve na po siya. So, ganun lang po guys yung pag-submit ng tax. So, hopefully na nakatulong po ito sa inyo. And don't forget to like, follow, and share para updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na ilalabas po natin. Thank you!